Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? I hope all of you are very well. Enjoy your life. Today we are going to talk about a very unique and creative topic, vintage pure water designs ideas. This is a theme that works perfectly for decoration, die crafts, gifts, and even collectible displays. With a touch of old style nostalgia, designs where water becomes a fun and artistic activity. In today's videos, we will go step by step and explore how can you use different styles, materials, ideas to transfer ordinary bottles into classy vintage look but masterpiece. So you should you seen the videos in la seen the videos in the last and subscribe the channels, like the videos. Let's start with the base. Whenever we talk about vintage designs, the foundation has to be strong. First, choose the clean glass bottles, transparent or slightly down pint glasses. Look classy. Wash the bottle thoroughly and let it dry completely. For a rustic feel, you can add light scratches or a matte coating. Using a piece of sanding paper, gently roughing surface so that paint or decorations stick properly. This base preparation sets the stage for a long-lasting yet authentic vintage look. I hope all of you are like this video and subscribe my channel. Now comes the painting because vintage looks are most created through paint. Let's we discuss the paints. Chalk paint. Use soft shades like off-white, beige or dusty blue. Metallic touch. Lightly brush golden, bronze or antique silver for a class effect. Distressed effect. After painting and painting sand down some areas to give a worn out old feel. Hand painted bears. If you are rusty paint cute vintage bear designs directly on the bottles. This pinning step completely transform the border and give it to the feel of an antique accessories. Vintage label paints. Let we discuss in it. The real charm of vintage designs come with label and graphics. Print all straight labels with a glass bar in illustrations. Print them or on brown craft paper and pass them on the bottle. Paste them. Give the label adds a burnt artist stain from effort in our acrylic look. For a handwritten touch, written something in a vintage calligraphy style like classic pear, drew, or vintage trady edition. These labels instantly give you bottles in authenticating vintage character. So let us discuss in fourth for part fabric and rough decorations. Vintage style is engraved without fabric or ropes. Wrap all the bottleneck with jute rope. Add a strip of burlap cloth or lace around the body. Tie a small bow or button as an accent for a classic shining finishing touch. Hang a small bear charm or wooden tag from the neck. Accessories play a may play a major role in enhancing the look. Use mini wooden corks instead of plastic cork. Fill the bottle with dried flowers, coffee beans, or cinnamon sticks for screened vintage pieces. Place small fairy lights inside the bottle for a glowing effect. Leather strap or tiny tin chains wrapped around the neck give a more antique look. Another fun idea, tie a small vintage body wear alongside the bottle, making it perfectly for gifting. Let's talk about some theme designs ideas you can apply to your vintage wear designs. Rustic country style, brown paint, dewdrop and bright bead. Christmas vintage bead, red and green, ribbon, snow spray and a mini teddy charm. Victorian classics, white lace, parallel, beads and golden paints highlight. Kids vintage teddy bottle, yes, pastel colors, cartoons, pear prints and polka dots. Collector's editions create a set of 3-4 bottles the same design style as a collectible series. So, where can you see these bottles? Now we can display and usages ideas as a dining table centerpiece on a bookshelf as decoration to style a bar corner as a birthday or universal gift or kids room decoration especially for teddy bear theme parties as flower holders glowing line light bottles in the wedding decor. These ideas make sure your vintage beer bottles are not just designed but also put to great use. Dye and tips tricks. Here are some tricks and quick tips. Always finish with a matte at spray for a perfect vintage look. Wait in natural light to see three shades. If the glass is slippery, wear rubber gloves while painting. Be patient. A perfect vintage finishing usually takes time and overthink. So, friends, I hope you will see the videos and enjoy. These were some amazing and creating vintage beer bottle designs ideas. You can design 3 bottles to decorate your home or give them as gifts. The best thing about vintage style is that every piece looks unique and with all your creativity you can make it even more special. I hope today's videos has inspired you to try out your own vintage beer bottle designs. We meet again with another exciting and creating activity. Thank you for giving. Subscribe my channel and like the video. I hope all of you enjoy this video. It's difficult with too much for creating, but not impossible. I hope all of you are good and enjoy this video. Subscribe my channels. I hope you will like this video. We often see modern design everywhere. So We meet in next video. um, Goodbye.